If you want to know the easiest way to plan out your calorie and macronutrient needs every day, come on with me. Body weight times 15, which is going to give us our calorie maintenance levels. Body weight times 15. For me, going to be 212 pounds times 15 is going to equal 3180. Okay, I'm going to round that up just because a couple calories aren't going to matter. It's going to be easier to do the math that way. 3180. All right. Protein, very, very simple. Protein is going to be your weight is going to equal 212 times 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight, okay? So that's very simple. That's going to give us 212 grams of protein that we're trying to hit throughout the day. So the protein and the fats are the two that are going to be numbers driven, all right? So fat, we're going to do our weight times 0.4. I'm going to be consuming 85 grams of fat, all right? So that's going to give me 85 grams of fat for the day. And now to figure out our carbohydrate, all right? The easiest way to do this is we just want to figure out how many calories we're consuming from protein and fat. Fat calories is going to be 9 calories per gram, okay? So if we're doing 85 times 9, we get equals 765, okay? And we're doing 212 times 4 for our protein. We've got 848, all right? And we're just going to add these two numbers. So we're going to do 848 plus 765. We have a total there of 1,613 calories. Now for carbohydrate, okay, all we got to do here is fill our remaining calories with carbohydrate, okay? So we are aiming for 3,200. We've so far consumed 1,613, all right? So 3,200 minus 1,613 is going to give us 1,587 calories remaining for our carbohydrate. We've got to reverse engineer this. So we've got 1,587. We're going to divide that by 4. And we've got 396. So 396. So this is going to be our macronutrient structure, okay? So what we're going to end up with at the end of the day here is protein equaling 212, fats equaling 85 grams, and carbs equaling 400 all grams per day, okay? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build yourself a super high level performance-based calorie and macronutrient-based plan. And that's for a maintenance level of calories, okay? So if you wanted to lose a little bit of weight, you would subtract 500 from your first number, all right? And then you would just pull it from your carbohydrate, okay? We're going to keep our protein at a gram per pound. We're going to keep our fat at 0.4 grams per pound, and then our carbs is where we'll have variability.